Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. I wanted to make this video to inform you that I am starting a YouTube community where I will be posting a lot of important videos. So if you want to be part of this community, you can enroll in it. When you go to my YouTube channel, you see this link here on the top. Click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will take you to this particular screen. It says join this channel. You have 3 levels here. The first one is growth starters, the second one is the knowledge vault, and the third one is digital income wisdom. So I will quickly go through all these 3 levels. So if you are a complete beginner and if you want to learn some fundamental knowledge, it could be about Citrix or cloud or artificial intelligence or any other topics, you can enroll for growth starters. Okay, and the second one is the knowledge vault. This is a bit advanced to growth starters where I will be covering level 2 topics. Let's say for example Citrix level 2 and many other important topics that will be really useful in the Citrix or any other production environments. So this is knowledge vault. So the knowledge vault is not only about technology. I will also be sharing about the books that I have read, the knowledge that I have gained over years working in IT. I will be sharing in the knowledge vault. And the third one is digital income wisdom. So this is the place where I am going to share all my knowledge on how to make money online, how to build digital assets. Let's say for example you are working in IT. Maybe you have 2 years of experience or 5 years of experience or 10 years or 15 years of experience. These days jobs may not be permanent. This could be because of artificial intelligence or resource cutting or management decision or whatever it is. Our jobs are not permanent. And if you wish to learn how to make money online, okay, I'm going to share all the knowledge that I have learned, to how to start your own online income. So if you are interested into this, you can be part of this digital income wisdom. Okay, so if you are a beginner, go to growth starters. If you want to be advanced, go to the knowledge vault. If you want to start your own online business and learn how to make digital assets, then digital income wisdom is for you. So all you need to do is you need to click on it and click on join button, and it will take you to the subscription screen where you can put all your details and be part of this community. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the community. Bye bye.